Hello, good morning, all of you. Class 11th, first chapter set theory. लास्ट टॉपिक एप्लीकेशन ऑफ सेट थ्योरी. छोटा टॉपिक है, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूले इसमें डिस्कस करेंगे. इफ़ ए एंड बी आर टू फाइनाइट सेट्स देन टू केसेस अराइज. फर्स्ट केस, इफ़ ए एंड बी आर डिसजॉइंट सेट्स, that is there is no common element in A and B, or you can say A intersection B equals to white set or phi, then A n number of element in A union B is equals to n A plus n B, number of element in A plus number of element in B, and the Venn diagram is as shown. A and B, there is no common element in A and B. And second case, if A and B are not disjoint sets, then there are common element in A and B. It means there are something in A intersection B. Then number of element in A union B is equals to n A plus n B, number of element in A, number of element in B minus number of element in A intersection B. As you can see, Venn diagram of this, the blue part is represent A minus B, black part B minus A, and red part A intersection B. Now some important formulas for these topic. Number of element in A union B equals to number of element A minus B plus number of element B minus A plus number of element A intersection B. You can see, and some more formulas for the given topic is, if A, B, C are finite sets, then number of element in A union B union C equals to n A plus n B plus n C minus n A intersection B minus n B intersection C minus n A intersection C plus n A intersection B intersection C. Something it is called at least one element. At least means the word at least is belongs to A union B union C, means union of all the given sets, that is known as also at least. If we have to find A only, means number of element in A only or in a particular set, then the formula is as follows. And when no common element, that is A complement intersection B complement intersection C complement equals to number of element in universal minus number of element in A union B union C. हम इसके डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपके लिए मिसलिनियस एक्सरसाइज का सॉल्यूशन का पूरा पार्ट सेंड कर देंगे आपको. आप डिस्क्रिप्शन से उसको डाउनलोड कर लीजिएगा और सारे क्वेश्चंस कर लीजिएगा. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट मिसलिनियस एक्सरसाइज ही होने वाली है. इसके अलावा आप एनसीईआरटी के एग्जाम्पल्स सॉल्व करते रहिएगा. थैंक यू.